So we got this new muffler. We're gonna put it on the lawnmower. You can see right through it.
Yeah.
So, Dad, we're gonna put it on the lawnmower. You can see right through it.
So I would start it now.
Yep.
To show them what it sounds like.
Yeah.
And, you know, don't leave it running because it'll get really hot.
Yeah. And yeah, just leave it at idle, right? Yeah.
Get your pipe wrench. You could probably just spin it off by hand.
Well, that thing, yeah, it's already wicked hot.
That deck is gonna rot.
Oh yeah, it's working.
If it doesn't come, oh, it's coming off. Oh man, really?
Yeah, I knew it.
All right.
I hope it's the right size.
If not, we'll go to Harbor Freight and get a connection. This should fit.
Too small.
Is it?
That is so tiny.
All right. Too small?
Yeah.
All right, let's go get an adapter.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Want to bring this
Bring that.
and
so
bring
we can
that?
Match that. Yeah.
Alright,
Get an adapter.
we'll go get an adapter. Alright.
This is gonna be awesome. And it's got bolt holes for regular.
Yeah. Message her. Alright. So we got the stuff, guys. The fittings and adapters that we needed. Oh yeah. So this should just thread right in. Yep. Perfect. And we'll use the pipe wrench, but don't do too tight now. That's good. I don't want to strip it or nothing. You gotta get a sack. You gotta get a sack.
Yep. It's perfect. It's tight, right?
Yep. Like that. Yeah, good.
Oh, what time did it ring?
Good.
Perfect. Not a rush.
Man, it looks good.
It does.
Doesn't it?
Yep.
Alright. Alright.
Camera doesn't work.
Oh.
Sounds good. the pipe wrench right now.
Yeah. Well, I think it sounds great. I just need to adjust it a little bit.
What do you mean?
Because it keeps tilting down.
I'll take the muffler off and spin that.
All right. I think so.
Yeah, I saw you texting
Say
me.
hi.
Hey.
Welcome.
What's up, Taryn? You want to go bike riding tomorrow? Mini bike?
Me? I can't. I'm going out to go swimming with my family.
Oh.
I have family.
Hmm.
Gonna swim with the whales?
Wait, you have family?
Yeah, I have family. No, I'm not.
What?
Oh, is this for your little YouTube thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is for my little YouTube thing.
Don't you have a YouTube thing?
Yeah.
Thing?
Good luck with that. I don't think it's gonna. I don't think it's working.
It is. Trust.
Okay, bye.
Oh, hey. It's my plant.
Looks depressing.
I wonder if I have a shovel. We do.
Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
I have it like on ultra wide.
Open the door. Open the door.
Well,
Thing runs so good, but that's the best running lawnmower we've had.
Yeah.
Although we had another Craftsman that would run good too.
yeah.
Smoke.
But this actually runs good.
Yep. That's why it runs good. That's
Yeah. Thumbs up.
Wow, that thing's so good.
All right. Well, what do you have to say?
Well, next time this grass is gonna be growing probably another week.
Yeah.
Back here cutting it.
Yep.
And then we'll update, see how it goes.
All right.
And I think that muffler is stainless steel.
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna rot, and I think it's aluminum too at the end.
Yeah.
The end part,
Huh.
that's aluminum.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
High performance. That thing's gonna go 200 miles an hour.
I'm honestly surprised how tiny the exhaust port is. I actually think that that's smaller than a 98cc. But this is more displacement.
This looks like a tree that was in the ground. Look, right here. That's a branch.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that was definitely a
So
tree.
That was up there. See it? Where it's broken?
Oh.
That was up there.
Yeah.
So that windstorm took it down. That tree's dead now.
Yeah. All right here.
That's a lot of wood, so I'm going to be cutting that up for Lloyd State Park.
Yeah.
And when we come back, and if the owner's here, I'll ask him, do you want my son to cut that?
Yep, because I'll do it. I will do it. Yeah, we gotta do something about this rot.
Yeah, maybe I can bring my welder next time we're here.
Yeah, look at all that.
Weld it up. I got metal.
Starting to break through right there. Right there. Something flung out. I must have hit something and it went right through the deck. And it hit right there on the deck.
Probably.
Look.
Yeah, I know, I saw it. Hit something.
Alright. Well, I think we're just gonna keep upgrading this thing.
Can't wait to see this video.
Yeah.
Cool.
Like real
That
fast.
was yours, Trevor?
Yeah.
Not working.
You're supposed to have that you hold on to.
All soft now.
Oh. Oh yeah, it melted right there.
Yeah.
That quick. Good night, guys. Hope you enjoy the summer. Goodbye. Sweat in your dreams.